we are just waiting. All our FIMS awardee are waiting for their awards. Ambuja Madam, please come on the stage. FIMS award was started during the tenure of Ambuja Madam. I'll request Ambuja Madam to say something.
Good evening, everybody. I am so happy to have the celebration of awarding FIMS. This is Fellowship Awards for the Indian Menopause Society people. And this actually started when I was president and Sudha was my secretary. I am so happy that she is continuing that, and that is the College of IMS. She started now, and it all are going to be better. We amalgamate all these things. That's what is my intention, because we have CIMP exams, we have fellowship for the Indian Menopause Society and College of IMS. All these three things, if they are amalgamated, we will get a better outcome. This is only to say that IMS is not only for the social service. We are giving encouragement even for the academic part of it.
Please wait for a while. Don't go. We'll have half an hour break before cultural program. So please wait. Please be seated.
One thing
Humble
I can tell,
request to all of you, please be seated.
the person behind me to start the FIMS is none other than Dr. Meeta. With her consultation every time, I really started. Meeta, please get up and give a big applause for the people who are behind us and helped us to get the things done. Thank you very much, Meeta, for giving, and it is spreading so much. And thank you very much. And this year, 6 people are being awarded for this. We have certain stringent rules. I don't know, even Shubha has applied last minute. We could not help her, but whoever has got, we have got the IMS credit points. That also we started. Unless they get so many credit points, when they attend so many conferences, when they present so many papers, these are all the criteria that are there. And it takes, because we have a set of people who will individually scrutinize the things, but it so happens because I started, everything will come to me, and it took such a long time to scrutinize the things for each person, and calling them to sign also. This what is the thing that happened, but I am happy so many people are ambitiously, they came forward to take the awards. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity, and my special thanks to my Hyderabad team who are behind me for each and everything. Dr. Prabha, Dr. Sandhya Dikshit, Dr. Jamuna, all these people are behind the scene to help me to go forward. Thank you very much.
This one is what? Ma'am.
Tell about the people who are going to get that.
FIMS का अवार्ड का नाम किसका जो FIMS अवार्ड जिन्हें मिल रहा है उनके नाम
हाँ बोलूँ ना मैं बोल रही हूँ ना. Yesterday we had felicitated all past presidents. Ambuja Madam was not there. So today we would like to felicitate Madam. Madam, you are a gem of our IMS. Thank you very much for all you have done or all you are doing. Yeah. This year FIMS award is Ragini Agrawal. Madam Ragini.
At this moment, I'd like to tell taken trouble to submit their certificates previously attended conferences, and we have given the FIMS credit points for them, IMS credit points. I think Ragini stood first in getting the bugs. You know what she did? She has thrown all the Xerox copies to me and said, "Madam, I am so busy to look after yourself. So I have to sort out them and tell that we accept only IMS conferences you have attended, not your Tom, Dick and Harry where you will go and IMA conferences, and then accordingly we have to select and give the marks to them." Okay, congratulations Ragini.
Next person is Dr.
Where
Sarla
is the
Jain.
certificate? Ragini. Sudha, where are you? Come this side.
Congratulations, dear Ragini, for getting FIMS award. Thank you. Next is Dr. Sarla Jain. Sarla Jain. Yes, yes. Dr. Sarla Jain is treasurer of this organizing team of Bhopal Menopause Society. She was past president also. Congratulations.
Sarla Jain is a silent worker. She presented so many papers and attended so many conferences. I just cannot say that. Congratulations, Sarla.
Next is Madhuri madam, Madhuri Chandra.
Madhuri. Please come. Come this side. Without we have nothing. You also come here. Hyderabad ka star, aa jao.
Madhuri is a dynamic academician. The scientific program, the whole was organized by Madhuri. Please give a big round of applause.
Madhuri is the scientific chair, I think, this time. I'll tell you, silently she did so much of work without tension.
Yes.
And it is so difficult to organize a conference. She never expressed, and she's so nice. Madhuri, congratulations.
We had enjoyed the zonal conference also. Yeah. You did a great job. Congratulations. Next, Beenal.
Please tell about Beenal.
बीनल को सब लोग ब्यूटी विथ ब्रेन बोलते हैं एंड ऑलवेज इनोवेटिव आइडियाज़ आर देयर एंड ऑलवेज हेल्पिंग एट ईच एंड एवरी कॉर्नर. All our wellness weekend webinars what we had conducted during my tenure that were well organized and coordinated by Beenal.
Congratulations, vibrant Beenal. Always very, very active and playing. I never thought she is a mother of a daughter who is doing MBBS, by the way she was presenting even from the time of Vadodara conference. Congratulations, Beenal.
Congrats. Next is Bhavna Seth, madam.
Senior more, very senior person.
Very senior gynecologist from Bharuch. And since the Society of Bharuch was incepted, Bhavna Ben is taking care as a secretary for years together. Congratulations, Bhavna.
So, Madam wants me to say something about Bhavna. She is one of those real IMSian who works at the ground level. And she and her husband, there are a few constant couples, who come to the IMS. She attends both of them attend the conference very quietly. And I am a great admirer of this couple.
Congratulations, Bhavna Ben. Yeah. Next is Madam Shashi Srivastav.
What to say about Shashi? She is so sweet, I will tell you. Every time she used to consult and say, Madam, how I am going to do this conference? I told Shashi, we are not here to criticize you, Shashi. We are all going to help you in every way. And even a small incidents or any festival which you are going to be at home, it is such a difficult thing. For you to organize so many people and do it is really great. You don't worry. That's what is the confidence we all made her do this such a wonderful conference. Congratulations, Shashi.
Yes, Dr. Shashi did a great job. Under the leadership of Dr. Shashi, Dr. Madhuri, Dr. Vaijanti, this conference has a superb conference, we can say. We enjoyed 3 days and tomorrow will be the last day. I am sure tomorrow also you are going to enjoy a lot. So, heartiest congratulations, Shashi. And
I agree with you, Anita, I agree with you. This is a super duper conference, as you say, no doubt about it. You are really fortunate because it is done in Bhopal and so much of assistance.
Yes. I am very lucky, madam. I have a very
Always
loving husband.
Always Anita is lucky.
Very loving my in-laws and very loving members, my core committee members, all IMS family members and everybody. I am so lucky.
Congratulations, Shashi. Congratulations.
Ritu.
Yeah, Ritu, where are you? Young Ritu, we should never forget. Come on, please.
She is very active member from Raipur and she entered Indian Menopause Society when I organized in national conference in 2009. Right, Ritu? I made you enter in IMS. Yes. At that time she was a PG student and she just entered. Yeah. So congratulations.
Though Ritu is young, she is so passionate for Menopause Society. And both of them, she is a very good friend of Jyoti.
Ritu is such a lovely girl. Since her a very young age, she is so much dedicated for the menopausal health. We all Raipur Menopause Society members and all IMS Society members are proud of you, Ritu. Such in a young age, she got this FIMS award and you make all of us proud. God bless you, Ritu.
She is from Surat. When she was PG, I just made her enter in IMS.
She is very well known to all the members of the core committee.
Anita, thank you for giving me the opportunity to come and present the FIMS awards.
FIMS वाले नीचे आ जाओ. सुधा आजा. अंबुजा
Hi,
मैडम.
my name is Taku. I'm an artist.
ज्योति आप
गणनायकाय गणदेवताय गणाध्यक्षाय